And salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian, a Mastersound Hi Hat top, 13-inch, and we got a little bit of crack damage right there. So we're gonna wave that crack area out, but we're gonna do something a little special. So we got this bottom hi hat, which is a Mastersound as well, and we're gonna make it a true Mastersound. And the way we're going to do that, every indentation on that symbol right there, we're going to cut out, kind of make it look like a hacksaw kind of deal. So, before we do all that, let's give these symbols a little sound test. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian, a Mastersound Hi Hat tap. And as you can tell, repaired the crack damage on the top. But we didn't do the modification on the bottom hi hat because it takes more than a lot of effort, if you know what I mean. So, we'll do that for another time. But let's give these little babies a hi hat sound test.